This activity simulates a spacewalk. Students are going to work in groups and complete their responsibilities for the mission. Well, what is the mission? The mission is to have the astronauts from the shuttle refill the fuel pod for the space station. We're going to divide into 4 groups. The first group we're going to call the engineers. The engineers will design the tools that the astronauts will use during the spacewalk to reload the fuel pod. The second group are the communication specialists. The communication specialists must devise a method for communicating between the astronauts and the shuttle. The third group we'll call the shuttle and mission control commanders. The mission control commander keeps track of the details, that is, the time and the fuel canister to deposit. The shuttle commander relays information to and from the astronauts via the communication specialist to mission control. The fourth group are the astronauts. The astronauts actually carry out the mission. They travel outside the shuttle to the fuel bay to deposit the fuel canisters. Okay, what we're going to do now, we've discussed what the project is and what we're going to be doing. So what I'm going to have you do is separate into your groups and start working on your responsibilities for the mission. So we'll have Christina and Lewis go ahead and start working on designing and doing your engineer responsibilities. We'll have Jolene and Rhonda go work on the astronaut aspect of it. And we're going to have Michael start working on the communication part. And Jenny and I are going to take part in this activity today, and we're going to be the mission and shuttle commanders. And so we're going to go work on our part.
I'll do some of this one. That's better.
That's sustainable.
What's that?
Right, but I don't think it matters.
I don't think so either. Okay, there we go. Okay. That's secure. Where's my fourth one? Okay, let's test these out. Pull one out and put it in on their own side, and then 2 out and put it in on their own side. So if you're wearing 3 and 4, you'll be the one who puts 1 and 2 in. And if you're wearing 1 and 2, you'll be the one who puts 3 and 4 in.
Try to have the student groups work separately, maybe in different corners of the room so that they'll concentrate on their assigned tasks.
Give me a handshake, a double handshake, to confirm you're ready for the next instructions.
So I'll be mission control, you'll be on the shuttle as the shuttle commander, and I'll communicate to you what order to drop the canisters in, and then you'll relay that information through the communication specialist to the astronauts. This is mission control calling the shuttle. Mission control calling the shuttle. Begin the mission. Deploy canister number 1.
Roger. Start the mission.
For our simulation, the astronauts are wearing our Georgia version of a spacesuit. For your simulation, try to use large, bulky clothing. Add a football helmet, goggles, gloves within gloves, anything that will limit movement, visibility, and hearing.
Mission control, canister 1 successfully deployed.
Shuttle, this is mission control. Deploy canister number 2.
Roger, mission control. Mission control, canister 2 successfully deployed. 1 minute, 48 seconds into the mission.
Shuttle, this is mission control. Deploy canister number 4. During the actual spacewalk, there needs to be 3 separate, distinct areas: inside the shuttle, outer space or outside the shuttle, and mission control. This was not possible here in the studio. Mission control should not be able to see the walk. You could have them in a next-door classroom or somewhere down the hall. The shuttle commander and communication specialist should be separated from the astronauts. You could have them stand outside the classroom door so that the communication specialist can give the nonverbal signals to the astronauts.
Mission control, canister 3 successfully deployed. Mission completed at 3 minutes, 16 seconds.
Shuttle, this is mission control. In the mission. Bring the astronauts back in. Because we have adults wearing adult-sized clothing, the simulation moves more quickly. In your classroom, your students may take the entire 5 minutes for the mission.